Do squats daily for 30 days. This will happen to your body. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the lower body, improving flexibility, and boosting overall fitness. Committing to a daily squat challenge for 30 days can lead to noticeable changes in your body composition, strength, and mobility. Here's what you can expect when you incorporate daily squats into your routine. 1. Increased leg strength. Squats primarily target the muscles in your legs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. By performing squats daily, you'll gradually increase muscle strength and endurance in these areas. This strength gain can enhance your ability to perform daily activities and other exercises more effectively. 2. Enhanced glute activation. Squats are renowned for their ability to target and strengthen the gluteal muscles, glutes. Daily squats can help activate and develop these muscles, leading to improved shape, firmness, and overall tone in your buttocks. 3. Improved core stability. Maintaining proper form during squats requires engaging your core muscles to stabilize your spine and pelvis. Over time, daily squats can improve core strength and stability, contributing to better posture and reducing the risk of lower back pain. 4. Better balance and coordination. Squats are a functional exercise that mimics movements used in daily life, such as sitting down and standing up. Practicing squats daily can improve your balance, coordination, and proprioception, awareness of your body's position in space, which is beneficial for overall agility and mobility. 5. Increased flexibility. Performing squats through a full range of motion helps improve flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles. Over 30 days, you may notice increased joint mobility and reduced stiffness, especially if you incorporate dynamic stretching before or after your squat routine. 6. Calorie burn and weight management. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which can help boost calorie expenditure. Regularly incorporating squats into your routine, along with a balanced diet, can support weight management goals by burning calories and promoting lean muscle mass. 7. Enhanced athletic performance. Stronger legs and improved overall fitness resulting from daily squats can translate into enhanced athletic performance in various sports and activities. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or engage in team sports, stronger legs and improved endurance can benefit your performance. 8. Boosted mood and energy levels. Exercise, including squats, stimulates the release of endorphins, which are hormones that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Daily squats can help reduce stress, boost your mood, and increase energy levels throughout the day. 9. Better bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like squats are beneficial for bone health. Over time, regular squatting can help maintain or increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, particularly in older adults. 10. Visible changes in body composition. Consistent squatting can lead to visible changes in muscle definition and overall body composition. You may notice firmer, more toned muscles in your legs, buttocks, and even your core after completing a 30-day squat challenge. How to perform squats correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart or slightly wider, toes pointing slightly outward. Engage your core muscles and keep your chest lifted as you lower your hips back and down as if sitting into a chair. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as comfortably possible. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Repeat for your desired number of repetitions. Safety considerations. Start with bodyweight squats if you're new to the exercise, gradually increasing intensity as you become more comfortable. Maintain proper form throughout each squat to prevent injury. Listen to your body and take rest days as needed to allow for recovery. Committing to daily squats for 30 days can lead to significant improvements in strength, muscle tone, flexibility, and overall fitness. Whether you're aiming to build stronger legs, improve balance, or enhance athletic performance, squats are a versatile exercise that can benefit individuals of all fitness levels. Incorporate squats into your daily routine and experience the positive changes in your body and well-being.